Hello everybody. Do you guys know there is a Sanskrit word Nirodha? So what's mean by Nirodha? In Tibetan it's called Gokpa. So Nirodha actually is a very important part of Buddha's teaching. It's a kind of suppression because in our daily life we have to stop so many things, especially all those countless and countless of, we'll say, non-virtuous deeds from our body, our speech, and our mind. So every real stuff has a suppression, and those suppressions are called Nirodha. But there are two real suppressions. And the first one is called Pratisamkhya Nirodha. In Tibetan, it's called Sosurta Go. And what's mean by Pratisamkhya Nirodha? It's a suppression brought by the, we'll say, analytical wisdom. But this suppression does not guarantee about the, we'll say, future manifestation of the defilement. So there is another, we'll say, Nirodha, a suppression which brings the removal, total removal of the defilements, and it is the, we'll say, Apratisamkhya Nirodha. In Tibetan, it's called Sosurtang Min Gokpa. So today, it's all for Nirodha. See you next time.